Are you having problems with your pilot light not staying lit, or your pilot light going out randomly? We're going to fix that today for free. We're going to teach you how to diagnose why the pilot light isn't working properly. We're going to fix it and explain how it works. Here's an overview for how everything works. When you start the pilot light, there's a little bit of gas that goes through this tube right here. It's then ignited by this igniter right here. The flame then heats up this rod right here, which is called a thermocouple. A thermocouple is a flame sensor that makes sure gas doesn't get sent if there's no flame, which would fill up your whole house with gas. It works by getting heated up by the flame and sending a small electrical signal to the gas control valve. If the thermocouple isn't working properly, no gas will be sent to the pilot light or the main burner. This is why we need to clean or replace the thermocouple. I'm using 120 grit sandpaper, but you could use emery cloth or something similar. This is how well you'll want to clean the thermocouple. While you're there, make sure rust hasn't fallen into any of the holes on this main burner. And if cleaning your thermocouple doesn't work, you can easily replace it. Most hot water heaters I come across have a thermocouple like this one, which you just slide out and replace it. They come in 18 inches, 24 inches, and 36 inches. Just make sure when you install it that the flame hits the end of the sensor. Some hot water heaters require a full assembly like this one. Just remember to figure out which one you have before you go to the hardware store or you order one online. And if you order one online and click my links, which will be below, I'll get a small kickback and it'll help support the channel with no extra cost to you. If you'd like a little more confidence in doing this project, I do have a step-by-step longer video of this in the top right-hand corner. If you'd like to know how to change out your anode rod in your water heater, click that in the top left-hand corner. And as always, thanks for watching.